You gonna f up your stomach tonight? For $1,000!
Oh, I'll do it. Houston's has a thing for like 3 chicken tendies, right?
Oh no.
$1,000 bucks.
No.
$1,000?
You should do it.
You wouldn't even be able to take a bite of one.
Bro, I can't even smell that.
I honestly might be able to make $1,000 tonight. Okay, I have the world's hottest peanut 2.0, but it's a stage series. You go up in like Scoville units. You start at like 100,000 and it gets to 13 million. You see how white I am? I can't eat anything spicy. We are going to an Origins event. We got a big group going. We're going to the Karnage HQ, and then we're all taking off and caravanning over to Origins.
We have friends that do cool stuff.
We have friends that do cool things.
Yes.
We
Pretty
do
cool
things.
cars, yeah.
We're cool people with cool friends. I'm actually a nerd. I don't know how I know you guys.
No, when I grow up, I want to be a Stefan.
When I grow up, I want to look exactly like Will Collette. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What's up, baby?
Hello.
Oh, no, it's okay. We didn't get that. Okay, we didn't catch.
What's up, dude? How are you?
This is crazy. This is nuts.
There's a lot going on.
It's crazy, yeah.
It's crazy. So we're gonna head out right now. This rollout's about to be crazy.
You wanna know why it's gonna be crazy?
What?
Esteban's gonna be
Stop it! Stop it! But anyway, yeah, we're rolling out right now. Houston's Hot Chicken is where we're gonna be, so let's get into it. Friends? How did you beat us? Yes, sir. You guys don't remember this kid from my vlogs? This is my cousin, baby. This is my cousin. This is girl. Are you okay with being on camera? Yeah. She's okay with being on camera. What's up, family? How are you? How are you?
Yeah.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. My guy who towed me.
That's
I
right.
love you. I love you. The tow truck driver. Man.
Save you.
The magnitude of people that are here is incredible. Oh my god! Oh my god! What's up, baby? You're making me nervous. Where are we going on Sunday?
We're gonna go get some kebabs on Sunday in LA.
Dude, hopefully the parking lot's clear so we can do a 2-step battle.
There you go. I'm so down for kebabs, bro. So we're out here at this event. We're at Houston's Hot Chicken right now, and I don't know how I involved myself in this, but I'm about to eat their hottest, hot ass wing.
You're gonna eat it and you're gonna
Wait, it's for $1,000 though, so it's a good cause that we're here. There's a lot of people sitting here, so I'm gonna embarrass myself a little bit, have some fun. I don't know.
Are you gonna master this thing right here?
I'm gonna try my best. I'm going to try my best.
You're gonna kill it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I think we got this. I don't know. We're gonna see what goes on right now, dude.
Alright, I'm here with Michael. Michael, you ever ate 2 million Scoville heat before? No. Alright, so it's gonna be his first time. How you feeling? Pretty confident?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. We're gonna see what happens.
Alright, we in there. Let's go, I got it.
You ready or what? Oh my gosh.
I'm okay with spice. The only thing I got a cut right here, and we gonna.
Oh gosh. Alright, well behind the scenes you heard that. My little cousin Mikey got a cut on his mouth and he's gonna do this crazy ass challenge with me. Wow.
Hey, it's gonna be real disinfected after.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I am not stoked. I'm I can't even eat 3 of those by themselves, bro, with no heat.
Let's just get a little close up on this. Grab the smallest ones.
I don't know if I'm allowed to grab my own.
The first 3 right there? Perfect. I need those.
I got a little cheerleading group, bro.
Okay, everybody here needs to stay 1 step back. If you don't take a step back, your car's slow.
Life away right now.
Pro hack, get more than $1,000. I didn't sign the waiver.
It's going up my nose. It's going up my nose.
So just for you guys to know what you're getting yourselves into. Before we start, we're gonna start 20 seconds. Just grab a tender. There's no shame in like tapping out. Just grab a tender, put it on your mouth, like put it in your tongue, put it on your tongue. Especially the feel of what you're like about to get right now. It's like
How was that? Yeah.
we're gonna start in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Crying already! Oh, he's so bad! That's so hot! Look at me! Don't touch your eyes! Don't touch your eyes! What are you doing? Light work! Light work! Light work! Light work! Ashley, you got this! You got this! Bro! You got this, let's f***ing go! Oh my God! Esteban! 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 Look! Look! Hey, you're f***ing everybody up right now. This is worse, huh?
That's way worse.
Oh my God! Woo! Hey, how was that? That was gnarly. Let that milk just sit on your tongue. Or let this just sit on your tongue.
That's crazy.
Woo! Oh, hey, I see you eat some spicy shit, and I've never seen you like this.
Oh my God! More water!
Hey, it's been about 3 minutes since you've been done. How was that? I've never done that. I learned my lesson.
That is silly.